History holds the answers, or does it? From forgotten maps to ancient secrets buried in plain sight, the world's greatest mysteries remain unsolved, and the truth lies hidden, waiting for you to uncover it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Histories, Mysteries, and Conspiracies. Season 2, Unraveling the Unknown. Where the past isn't just a story, it's a puzzle. Are you ready to piece it together? The cube is the prison, but time is the warden. Break free, and you escape both. Kyo. Step into a realm where mystery meets imagination, a world where planetary science and ancient symbolism intertwine, giving birth to one of the most enigmatic conspiracy theories of our time, the Saturn Time Cube. Is it a story of cosmic fingerprints left for us to uncover? Or could it stand as evidence of humanity's deepest fears and endless fascination with the unknown? Grab your seat and let's unravel this peculiar web of conspiracy where science, mythology, and philosophy collide. To understand the Saturn Time Cube, we must start with a scientific enigma, the hexagonal storm at Saturn's North Pole. A perfect hexagon spanning nearly 20,000 miles across, this massive storm was first observed by NASA's Voyager in the 1980s and later studied extensively by the Cassini spacecraft. How can something so symmetrical exist in the chaos of a gas giant's atmosphere? Scientists suggest this phenomenon results from turbulent jet streams and fluid dynamics. But to conspiracy enthusiasts, this explanation adds little satisfaction. The storm's precision, a six-sided geometric wonder, has sparked theories far beyond the realm of weather patterns. Could the hexagon be artificial, crafted by advanced extraterrestrial beings or even celestial entities? The Saturn Time Cube theory gained traction as these questions swirled. By combining science with ancient symbolism and modern philosophical concepts, it fuels a belief that Saturn is no ordinary planet, but rather a cosmic keystone hiding the secrets of time and control. Let's take a closer look at the hexagon itself. The imagery of this phenomenon is haunting. From the planet's swirling winds emerges a natural pattern that doesn't seem natural in the conventional sense. While science regards it as a stunning example of atmospherical physics, a product of differing wind speeds interacting with Saturn's incredible rotation, something about its geometry feels deliberate. Conspiracies link this shape to sacred geometry, theorizing that such patterns harbor cosmic truths. For some, the hexagon resembles the foundations of a cube, a structure deeply symbolic in esoteric traditions. The alignment is viewed as a cosmic signature, hinting at forces or beings beyond human comprehension. Is the hexagon merely an anomaly, or is it part of a larger hidden system? Beyond its scientific curiosity, Saturn has held a dark allure for centuries, marked by its prominent role in mythology. The Romans named it after Saturn, the god of agriculture and time, known for devouring his children to prevent them from overthrowing him. Saturn's Greek counterpart, Kronos, carried similar ties to time, cycles, and control. Mythologically, Saturn represents both chaos and order, a looming deity bound by the relentless march of time. In Roman culture, the Saturnalia festival celebrated this dual nature, blending moments of disruption and revelry before returning to societal order. With Saturn's mythological significance as the keeper of time and cycles, it's no stretch for conspiracy theorists to link this celestial giant to the idea of imprisonment in time, a recurring theme in the broader Saturn Time Cube ideology. Could humanity's fascination with control and time's unyielding grip flow from Saturn's enduring influence? The Black Cube takes this theory to a literal and symbolic dimension. Across various locations and cultures, the Black Cube emerges as an object of mystery and power. From the Kaaba in Mecca to memorial sculptures in New York and Denmark, the cube is a recurring image in both religious and secular contexts. Theorists claim this cube symbolizes containment, possibly an imprisonment of time, space, or even human consciousness itself. The connection to Saturn deepens when various interpretations point to the planet's influence as a keeper of time, locking humanity in an endless cycle of repetition. For some, the black cube signals secret control systems, such as social, religious, or technological mechanisms that dictate human life. Does it tie back metaphorically to Saturn's hexagon? The cube, after all, is a geometric evolution of the hexagon once rendered in 3 dimensions. Could these symbols be a hidden language, pointing to an extraterrestrial or divine origin? Expanding the theory further, the Saturn Time Cube intersects with provocative ideas about simulation theory. Some proponents believe Saturn plays a key role in generating our perception of time and reality, acting as the control center for a simulated universe. Imagine living in a system where time isn't just a forward-moving current but a control mechanism, a prison for the human experience. Conspiracists suggest that the black cube of Saturn syncs with this notion, representing a contrived loop of cosmic programming designed to keep humanity trapped in temporal cycles. Could our universe be no more than an elaborate simulation perpetuated by unseen architects? The time loop aspect of this theory also plays on deeper fears, the inability to escape, to change, or break free from time's static influence. Whether this is metaphorical or literal depends on how deeply one buys into the theory. Sacred geometry takes center stage in the Saturn Time Cube conspiracy, ensuring its allure for those intrigued by mathematical patterns in the natural world. The hexagon, as the foundation of a cube, is viewed as a perfect form, tied to universal balance and hidden truths. From ancient structures to crop circle imagery, the geometry becomes a visual language that theorists claim we are meant to decode. This circle-to-cube progression isn't random. It represents transformation. Cosmic thinkers propose that Saturn, with its hexagonal storm and symbolic cube, is part of a universal design rooted in sacred geometry. Is it revealing messages encoded in the very fabric of existence? Or could it merely reflect humankind's penchant for finding patterns in the chaos? The Saturn Time Cube draws believers from diverse ideological circles, from New Age spiritualists to fans of occult explanations. Some view Saturn as a mystical force representing metaphysical and psychological boundaries. Others interpret the conspiracy more philosophically, as an allegory for humanity's fear of control and time's unrelenting grip. At its core is a universal question. Are we truly free, or are we subject to unseen forces dictating our reality? For many conspiracy enthusiasts, this theory taps into existential dread made tangible by Saturn's ominous symbolism. While speculation surrounding the Saturn Time Cube is imaginative, science offers sobering clarity. Researchers point to well-documented atmospheric explanations for the hexagonal storm. It's a visible product of natural physical forces, not cosmic engineering. The geometric pattern, a logical outcome of fluid dynamics over extreme scales. Psychologically, conspiracy theories like this often emerge when people seek deeper meaning in a chaotic world. Humans are hardwired to seek patterns. Faced with Saturn's eerie structures, symbolism becomes unavoidable, even if it strays far from reality. The longevity of this conspiracy itself may stem from a universal desire to reconcile science with spirituality, hard evidence with mystery. It represents an intersection of wonder and fear, where intellect and imagination collide. The Saturn Time Cube conspiracy encapsulates humanity's inherent hunger for understanding. It takes threads of truth, the stunning science of Saturn, its mythological role in ancient cultures, and its haunting symbols, and weaves them into a tapestry of control, simulation, and mystery. But as we reflect, one question lingers. Are these ideas revealing hidden truths about our universe? Or do they simply echo our own projections and anxieties? Regardless of the answer, one thing is certain. The Saturn Time Cube is far more than idle speculation. It's a window into humanity's relentless pursuit of truth in the face of the unknowable. So, whether you view Saturn as a cosmic power, a scientific marvel, or a figment of human imagination, this celestial giant remains a timeless source of fascination, and perhaps, just perhaps, holds secrets we have yet to uncover. Stay questioning, stay curious, and above all, keep seeking the truth. Bravo. Select an option for more.